Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Gusty's Plants. So I was gone for a really long time, well, for about maybe a week and a few days, and a lot of you guys were asking where I've been. So pretty much I've been doing nothing. I've just been home and I've been bringing my Hoyas indoors since we got really windy, cold temperatures last week, and so I decided to just bring my little Hoyas indoors. And my humidifier stopped working, so now my humidifier is not working, but I do have a grow light. So but anyways, so this video will be an unboxing, and I have two different sellers for this video. I've actually missed doing unboxings for this channel. I know a lot of you guys enjoy watching my unboxings, so without further ado, let me just start doing the unboxings. I'm gonna start the video with an unboxing from a company that I've never reviewed here on my channel. It's Jordan's Jungle. They have an online shop, and I'm gonna leave a little screen here of how the website looks. They have not only Hoyas, but they have a good range of plants, aeroids. They have what else? Carnivorous plants, and they also have like a in-person shop. But anyways, so let me do the unboxing. I've ordered from this company before, and however the plant died, but this was years ago. So you can pre-order these plants, and I ordered one Hoya. I pre-ordered this plant a few days ago, well, 2 weeks ago, and then it was finally available. So since I had already purchased it, they sent it to me. So first things first, guys, this is what you see, what you get. You get the invoice, and it tells you some information about the plant and stuff. Okay, I don't think you guys want to see this, but this is how the box looks and the plant. Okay, so far pretty nice packaging. I also got this, which is kind of like a healing pack. Oh, here it is. So they included a heat pack without me buying it. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, let me do the honorary. You guys know my handy dandy scissors. Okay. I'm always scared doing this because I could damage the plant. Okay, I'm starting to see the plant. There's a lot of tape all over this plant. The plant that I had ordered from this company before was the Daiki Heart. And it died on me. It was only a single leaf, and it died on me, so I was very devastated. But anyways, this is the little plant. And I forgot the name of this Hoya. I just remember that it was a weird name. It was 2 weeks ago. I don't remember the name of the Hoya. And it doesn't seem to have the, like the little name tag in here. Let me look at my invoice, right? So let me see. This is called Hoya Sipintangensis. Hoya Sipintangensis. I was looking online when I was ordering this Hoya just to see how the flowers look once matured, and how the leaves turn. And it actually gets very nice and full, and it has very weird looking flowers. And I didn't really found the scent of it, so I'm thinking that this Hoya may not have strong flowers. But now that I am unboxing this plant right here, the paper feels very wet, which is a good thing for this type of Hoyas that is very thin. Thin leaf Hoyas do need a little bit more water, so I like that. Okay, wow. So it actually does have the name of the Hoya right here. You guys could see it, Hoya Sipintangensis. That's very cool, and I'm very impressed. This is a very weird Hoya. I've never heard of it before up until I saw it on the website. But you can see right here, it does have a little variegated, or not a variegated, but it does have a leaf right there that's actually blushed, sun-kissed. It has a lot of like how do you call this, sun exposure. Not the word I'm looking for, but yeah, I'm very happy with this plant. Very happy. Nice leaves. Kind of reminds me of like a lacunosa and a croniana mix. Very nice plant. Really like it. So I'm very happy with this one. And it's a very nice chunky plant for the rarity of this plant. So very cool. And this next plant, it's from Studio Jesse James. Now Studio Jesse James, it's my favorite online seller for the way they order, the way they pack their plants. I feel like they have the best packaging along with Unsolicited Plant Talks. But they have really nice packaging. Something that I mentioned in that previous video is that they always include these little rows right here, these little arrows. And I feel like it's really cool. Something to note on this packaging is that they included the certificate of phytosanitary on the box, which is really cool. However, they are based here in United States, so I don't know why they would include this. I'm not into transporting plants. I know that you do need them if you're gonna import plants from like Thailand or Europe or Asia, but that's really cool. They also wrote my name here on the side, which I think that's very cool. But I have nothing but positive things to say about this website. I feel like they're amazing. They have really good customer service. I interact with them on Instagram and they're very nice. They're architects according to their website, so that's very cool. Alright guys, so this Hoya has been on my wish list for a very long time and I am very excited. They also included a heat pack, which I did not pay for. I know that a lot of websites have you pay extra if you want your plant to be with a heat pack. I didn't, and they still added in here, so that's very cool. Okay, so here is the plant, guys. Like always, I think they have the best packaging. So my handy dandy scissors, and let me go ahead and cut the bottom of it. The last plant I ordered from this company was the Hoya Burtonii, which I also did a video on. I'm gonna leave a insert card here in the video so you guys can take a look if you guys want. But that Hoya arrived in really prestige condition. So this website, they come out with different plant releases, and they when they put them on the website, you're able to check which plant you want to take, and you buy the specific plant based on the pictures. So that's exactly what I did. So I kind of know what this Hoya looks like, but it's always better when you get it in person. It's a variegated Hoya. So also, if you're still watching, let me know in the comments below with the word penguin. If you're watching the video right now, comment down below the word penguin, just so that I know that you're watching to this point. Anyway, so I am getting a lot of spillage, but oh my God, look at this. Look at this plant, guys. So this is Hoya acuta variegata, or Alba marginara. It also comes in a straight green color, but this one, it's Hoya acuta variegata, guys. Look at this. Look at this plant, guys. It's crazy. Wow, this Hoya is to die for, guys. I'm very impressed with this plant, and the leaves are healthy. Now this leaf right here, it's a little bit damaged from transportation. You could see right there. And the back of it is also kind of wilted. It feels like it needs a good watering. The packaging was really good though. I really am impressed. But look at this leaf, guys. Look at this leaf. It's like so nice and healthy. I am getting a little bit of like damaged leaf, like this leaf here. It's a little bit purple. I don't know if you guys could see. It has a little bit of purple, but anyways, I am very happy with this plant and I'm very impressed. Kind of reminds me of the Hoya. It kind of reminds me of the Hoya macrophylla Alba marginara, or the pot of gold, mixed with like a Hoya crimson queen. I feel like that's a really nice representation of what the plant looks like. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to drink water and water your plants, and have a good one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.